we divide 954 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 4. So again we put down this 5 and it is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. On subtracting we get 0. So again we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 mean 0. On subtracting we get 4. So now we don't have any number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 954 divided by 5 is 190 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.